Don't tell me it's a bit. You say you don't see it, your mind's pulled. You say you wanna quit, now don't be stupid.